All right, step one, we're going to draw in segment AB, and then we want to draw the circle with center A and radius AB. So AB is selected. I'll click on point A, construct circle by center and radius, smaller. And so here is step one. The reason for step one is postulate 26. A circle may be drawn with any center and any distance. Next, we'll use B as the center, AB as the radius, construct circle with center and radius. The reasons for step two is the same as step one, postulate 26. A circle may be drawn with any center and any distance. Step three, from the point C where the circles cut one another, draw AC and BC. So here is point C. We're going to draw in segment AC and segment BC. And the reason for this is postulate 24, a unique straight line which may be drawn from any point, any other point. Step 4, since A is the center of the circle through B and C, then AC is equal to AB. So the reason for that number 4 is definition number 15. A circle is a plane figure contained by one line called the circumference, the given point lying within the figure such that all the straight lines joining the given point to the circumference are equal to one another. And also definition 16, which clarifies that the given point of a circle is called the center of the circle. So we know AC equals BC. Step number 5, since B is the center of the circle through A and C, then BC is equal to AB. This is also definition number 15 and definition number 16. Step 6, by step 4 and 5, BC also equals AC. So this segment is equal to that segment. The reason for this one is common notion number 29, which says things which are equal to the same thing are also equal to one another. And step 7, since AB, AC, and BC are all equal, the triangle ABC is equilateral, and it was constructed on the line AB, which is what we were required to do. So the reason number 7 is definition number 20. An equilateral triangle is a triangle that has 3 equal sides. It also goes on to describe an isosceles triangle and a scalene triangle, but that's the part that we're looking for. So there's our equilateral triangle.